In this video, I will show you how you can delete the other storage on any Samsung tablet. Now, if you go to Settings, from here, just tap on Device Care, then go to the Storage section. Over here, you will find a section in the Storage section, which is called Other Files. Now, as you can see, the other files on our tablet is taking 3.5 gigabytes, but it can be even more. Now, to delete the other files, first of all, just tap on the Other Files. As you can see, these are all the files stored in the Other Files section. Now just select all of them. Now if you don't need them, just tap on Delete All. After that, just tap on Pending Files. And if you're able to delete the pending files, just delete them. But if you're unable to delete the pending files and the uncategorized files, then just go back. And in the main settings page, just tap on Apps. From here, just tap on the three lines over here and select Size. After that, just tap on OK, and after you do that, you will arrange all the apps on your tablet according to their size. Now just tap on the largest files on your tablet and go to the storage section, and from here just tap on the Clear Cache. Just select the app, then tap on Storage. As you can see, this app has stored cache memory. Just tap on Clear Cache. Now just do that for the top 15 largest apps on your tablet. Especially do this for messaging apps, social media apps, and games, as they store the most cache files. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open the app drawer, and from here just delete any app which you no longer need. Just tap and hold on the app and select Uninstall App. And this is how you can delete the other storage on any Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.